Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 5, Virtual Assistant. Earning potential, $13 to $75 an hour, or an average of $41,000 a year. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. If you've ever wondered if there are online jobs for someone with basic skills, then becoming a virtual assistant might be a good option for you. You can make some great money just managing simple office tasks for clients. A VA performs administrative tasks for an organization or clients from a remote location, usually from a home office. The tasks can range from managing email accounts, scheduling calls, managing calendars, and making travel arrangements, etc. Becoming a virtual assistant doesn't require any specific education credentials, however, most pass English and maths at school, although some people simply complete any relevant qualifications using free or cheap online courses. Successful VAs should know how to use the internet, computers, and smartphones. They should also have knowledge of business basics, email and telephone etiquette, plus display good communication and time management skills. The best thing about virtual assistant jobs is that you can generally work as little or as much as you want, which makes them ideal for busy people who may have limited availability because of other commitments. For companies, virtual assistants help them save valuable time which they can then reinvest in business performance. Typically, VAs are independent contractors. They can work for one company or they may assist a number of clients each day. You can start small with a single client. Then, once you identify your specialty or an area you want to focus on, you can take on more clients and increase your earning potential. Good places to start are Remote.co, Fancy Hands, Time etc., Virtual Office Temps, and Remote OK. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.